Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing the One Vision Performance air intake scoops for your kinder girls on my E92 335IS. This is going to be a pretty simple install. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to exactly install these. So I decided to go for the red ones, and I also got the mounting kit, which is a 3-printed piece that gets mounted to the bottom with a screw on top. And you know 100% this thing's not going to be going anywhere, and it's going to be 100% secure when you're installing it. The first thing we're going to need to take off is going to be this piece right here, and then afterwards we're going to remove the kidney girls. So on both sides you're going to have this clip right here, and you just got to take those off, and this piece will just easily come off. There's also a screw on both sides that you got to take off as well besides the clip. Next thing we gotta do is take off the kidney girls. They have a clip on each side as well as 2 screws. Yours might be different, but this is what's on mine. And just gotta take those off, and the kidney girls are gonna be much more accessible. You actually don't need to take off the kidney girls. All you gotta do is just pull the bumper a little bit, and you'll be able to squeeze in those scoops that way. So I finally did manage to get them in, and then secure them with the lockdown kit on each side. I still do need to put the screw on here, but besides that, I just got to put all the clips and this part back together, and it should be ready to go. As you guys can see, all the clips and screws are back in, and everything looks good. The air intake scoops are visible in the bottom from the kidney girls, and they look very nice. If you guys are interested in these, we do have them available on our shop. I will be sure to leave the link down below, and you can definitely check that out. But yeah, this was a pretty simple install. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys as soon as I can. But besides that, be sure to stay tuned for future videos. I do have a video coming up kind of reviewing the new turbos as well as the tune on the car. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned for that, and I'll definitely be uploading that sometime next week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.